section focuses on the main considerations for the maintenance of different facilities. Permeable pavement. When the surface layer is damaged, it should be repaired or replaced in time. When uneven settlement occurs, local repair and leveling should be carried out. When the permeability is greatly reduced, washing, negative pressure suction, and other methods should be used to clean up in time. Green roofs. It should be replanted and pruned in time. Weeds should be removed, and pests and diseases should be controlled. When the overflow outlet is blocked or choked, causing water to flow improperly, it should be cleared of debris and sediment in a timely manner. When the drainage layer fails to drain properly, it should be promptly inspected and repaired. When there is water leakage on the roof, the impermeable layer should be repaired or replaced in time. Bioretention facilities, infiltration basins, and percolation ponds. It is imperative to conduct timely replanting and pruning of the plants, while simultaneously eliminating weeds. Should the inlet's capacity fail to effectively collect SINK surface runoff and rainwater, scaling up the inlet's size or conducting a concave is necessary to counteract erosion at the intake and overflow points. Measures such as gravel buffers or other anti-erosion strategies should be implemented. When the intake or overflow become blocked or silted up, prompt clearance of debris and sediment is required. Regular sediment removal is advisable to prevent storage space inadequacy due to deposition. Slope instability calls for reinforcement measures to be undertaken to address insufficient storage space and capacity caused by sloping terrain. The installation or heightening of a water barrier work may be necessary should rainwater storage exceed 36 hours before drainage. Timely replacement of the bark covering layer or the planting soil layer is recommended. If the effluent quality does not meet the pre-designated standards, the filling material should be exchanged. Seepage, well, seepage pipe, channel. When erosion occurs at the intake due to scour, a stone buffer should be installed, or other erosion control measures should be taken. When sediment accumulation within the facility results in insufficient detention or flow capacity, the sediment should be cleared in a timely manner. When the emptying time of rainwater in the infiltration well exceeds 36 hours, the filler should be replaced in a timely manner. Wet ponds and rainwater ponds. When erosion occurs at intake and overflow outlets due to scour, a stone buffer or other anti-erosion measures should be installed. When intake and overflow outlets are blocked, or sediment accumulates, causing poor water flow, the accumulated debris and sediment should be cleared in a timely manner. When sediment accumulation in the pre-treatment pond pre-treatment basin exceeds 50%, it should be cleared in a timely manner. When safety facilities, such as warning signs, fences, and safety barriers for preventing accidental connection, use, or ingestion, are damaged or missing, they should be repaired and improved in a timely manner. When slope protection collapses, it should be reinforced in a timely manner. Pumps, valves, and other related equipment should be regularly inspected to ensure proper functioning. Plants should be harvested and replanted, and weeds should be removed in a timely manner. Water tank. When the inlet and overflow outlets cause soil erosion, measures should be taken in a timely manner to prevent erosion with gravel buffer or other anti-erosion measures. When the inlet and overflow outlets are blocked or set causing poor water flow. The accumulated debris and sediments should be cleared in a timely manner. When the sedimentation tank accumulates sediments beyond the designed dredging height, dredging should be carried out in a timely manner. Regular inspections should be conducted on pumps, valves, and other related equipment to ensure proper functioning. When the warning signs, fences, and other safety protection facilities, as well as the early warning system, are damaged or missing, they should be repaired and improved in a timely manner. Rainwater tank. When there is a blockage or siltation of the water inlet, clean up the garbage and sediment in time. Remove the sediment in the rainwater tank in time. In the northern region, the water in the rainwater tank and its connecting pipelines should be emptied before the onset of winter to avoid frost damage. When the warning signs such as preventing misuse and mistreatment are damaged or missing, they should be repaired and improved in time. Regulating pond. The inlet and outlet of the regulating pond should be checked regularly to ensure that the emptying time meets the design requirements, and the emptying should be ensured before each rain. Other reference seepage ponds, wet ponds, rainwater, wetlands, etc. Adjustment pond. Monitor the discharge time to ensure it meets the design requirements. When the inlet and outlet are blocked or clogged, causing poor water flow, they should be cleaned of debris and sediment in a timely manner. When sediment accumulates in the pretreatment facilities and retention tank, they should be cleaned in a timely manner. Grass planting ditch and vegetation buffer zone. Replanting and pruning plants and removing weeds should be replanted in time. When the inlet cannot effectively collect the runoff rainwater from the catchment surface, the scale of the inlet should be increased, or local concave should be carried out. When soil erosion is caused by erosion at the water inlet, a gravel buffer should be set up, or other anti-erosion measures should be taken. When the inlet and outlet are blocked or clogged, causing poor water flow, the garbage and sediment should be cleaned up in time. When the slope collapses, it should be reinforced in time. When the water flow velocity in the ditch exceeds the design flow rate due to the large slope, a retaining weir should be added, or the elevation of the retaining weir should be raised. Initial rainwater abandonment facilities. When the water inlet and outlet are blocked or silted up, the garbage and sediment should be cleaned up in time. When the sedimentation leads to insufficient abandonment volume, dredging should be carried out in time. Artificial soil infiltration, replanting and pruning plants, and removing weeds should be done in time. When the soil percolation capacity is insufficient, the aquifer should be replaced in time. When the water distribution pipe is blocked, it should be dredged or replaced in time. Maintenance frequency. The following table shows the requirements for the regular maintenance frequency and time requirements of LIMPACT development facilities.